Hey y'all, thanks for coming back. I was a little bit nervous that I wouldn't see you guys again, but thanks for coming back. This is a quick video, again, iGel Beauty. Jumping right into it, we're starting with Baby Powder. DD1, I'll double check. Y'all, and don't be judging me either. This is still me just showing you guys the colors. I have a crazy ton of iGel Beauty polishes that I am literally picking from random and just showing you the colors. Don't be all up on my stuff and in my grill about, you know, some getting on the sides or whatever. Chill out. Now we going, oh, look at that beautiful sparkle. It's called Sugary or whatever. DD235. Yes, giving me all the brown sugar queen vibes. Yes. Or just like the brown sugar that you put in sweet potato pie. I'm hungry. To the next color, which is, let me see, anticipation is killing me. Fired up red. Okay, because I'm the fireman. Fire for fireman. Y'all gotta like this video if y'all know that song. Come on now. Where y'all at? All these young heads don't know. They don't know real music anymore. Like, come on now. Lil Wayne was papping since the Hot Boys. Come on, double like if you know who the Hot Boys is. Like, come on now. Got a little cleanup going down in aisle 5. Ooh, look at that. Hey girl, how you doing? Okay, I'm sorry. On to the next one. We are doing Wild Thistle. DD52. And I know y'all don't like to hear me rambling, but I'm sorry. I just like talking to y'all, but y'all need to talk back to me in the comments. Like, y'all be really leaving me sad and hanging. Like, can I get some love? This is such a beautiful spring color. Oh my gosh, this might be my favorite. Okay, I think I might say that about all the pinks. So yeah, but this is so cute. And the video is pretty much over. These are my swatches. I'm not gonna do anything crazy this time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna paint over that because I saw like a little mark or whatever. But like, that's a true white. Like, it doesn't have like any type of weird grayness to it. It's like pure white. I love it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, come back and see me, talk to me in the comments. And next time, oh my gosh, I am so ratchet. I didn't even file the nails. Don't judge me, guys. I was really trying to put this out fast. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.